Hey, what's going on? This is John Meisberg, and today I wanted to show you how you can use a 360 image to create an immersive learning experience. So what I did is I used the camera on my phone. It has a panorama mode, and I just created two panoramas. It captures more than 180 degrees, but basically think of it like a circle. You capture half the circle, and then you capture the other half of the circle. And then I found a program for my phone called Bimo Stitch, and it basically just takes two panoramas and connects them. So you have a 360 image. So that's one option. Just go to the Google Play Store, go to the App Store on your phone, and find an app that stitches panoramas together. And that's an easy way to create a 360 image. Alternatively, you can just go on Google and search for, whatever you're interested in, and then type 360 image because there's a lot of content already available online. So I created two panoramas in the airport, and then I stitched them together using a program that just kind of matches where they overlap. And so then here's my 360 image that I imported into Storyline. So you can see in Storyline, you go to Insert, and then under Media, you select 360 image, and then you select the 360 image file that you have. And then once you've selected it, you can then click on Edit 360 image. And here you're able to click around and through your 360 image, just like the learner would be able to do. So I've set it up to where there's free navigation for the learner so they can just scroll, like click and drag to see where they want to go. But you could also do a guided tour if you wanted them to look at certain things in a particular order. Another thing that's worth noting is that under the interaction tab here, under initial view, if you click on edit, you can set where you want the initial view to be when the learning experience loads. So like I placed it about here and click set. So for this learning experience, what I've gone ahead and done is I've placed 4 markers in different areas where I wanted the learner to be familiar with various aspects of what happens when a flight gets canceled for a traveler. So here we have the cancellation notice, information, and then over here I have a stressed partner. And over here we have a very long line that travelers might have to wait through only to find out that the airline can't help them. They have to reach out to Expedia. And then here I actually have put a video. And so I say click the video to see what it's like for the traveler's flight to be canceled. And if you see up here under label, there's a video icon. So I just selected a video that I filmed in the airport and inserted it right there.
Sometimes things don't go as planned.
You can also add captions here as well. So that's pretty much it for this learning experience. I would call out that something really cool that you could do is create some hotspots, right? And then for the hotspot, you could do a trigger that says like, hey, when you click on this hotspot, jump to another layer or another slide, and that could take the learner to another 360 experience, perhaps one that's up ahead. And then you could put an arrow there, and it's like when you click on the arrow, it moves you to that other section and create like a true virtual walkthrough. Yeah. What else to call out? For the player itself, I've just turned off everything. I've kept a modern player, but turn on captions. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish and then send this to Review 360. Normally you click create a new item, but I'm just going to say publish a new version of an existing item because I've already done it. Just a note that like whatever your project file is titled up there is going to be what shows up. See what shows up here as text. So we're going to publish. Yep. Send it to Review 360. Cool. And so what I'm doing is I have it inside of Rise as an embedded storyline file. To do that, click on all blocks, click on interactive, click on storyline. And then inside of here, you click on Browser View 360 and select your learning experience. So since I've already done that, I'm just going to click Edit, Change, and then select it again. It's going to reload. Something to note, I turn off the padding. I think it looks better without the padding. So there we have, it says the travel experience. And so I might actually put some text. Click the play icon to launch this. We can say click the play button to launch this learning experience. Actually, I think maybe this needs to go above it. Click the play icon to launch this learning experience. And then we could say like click and drag your mouse cursor to view let's say to navigate through the airport. Click on each pulsing blue circle to learn more about that area. Okay, so we have some instructions up here. You can see if I click on here, I get the pop-up about the information there. Click here, you get the video.
Sometimes
Hey,
things don't
and if you
go as
want cabinets, you
planned.
can turn them on.
Travelers may find themselves stranded at the airport with a canceled flight, and that's when they need help.
Cool. You can click around, click around, click. Yeah, turned out pretty good. All right. So if you have any more questions about creating learning experiences using 360 images and Storyline, just reach out to me at mo-brownbag. Again, this is John Meisberg, and thanks for watching.